This is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and I'm here recording a virtual tour of the house for sale here at 311 Shiloh Place in Leesburg. So we've just come in the front door here, and you can see to your left there is this nice living room with big windows and lots of light. So you have this area available to use for a formal living room or for whatever you'd like it to be. And then we also have this beautiful dining room area. A lot of this main floor, including the dining room, was freshly painted. So it's all ready for you to move in and make it your own. As we continue through here, you might note that we do have a nice tall entryway here with a big window above the door, so we get a lot of light in here. And there's same kind of thing on the stairwell there in the back. So it's a very light and bright house, which I always appreciate. I mean, today is a pretty cloudy, overcast day, and you can see it's still really bright in the house. So once you come in through the front door, if you look over here, we have a hall closet, the powder room, and then a nice office with some French doors on it. One of my favorite things about the office is that you can look out on, see how private your backyard is here. So this house has a wonderful number of evergreens. So we have some like an evergreen tree, some magnolias and things like that in the back. And it really makes this office and the house overall feel very private. You can see the nice backyard. It's partially fenced with a wood fence, and that hot tub is only 1 year old, and it has that great deck around it. It's really a nice little area, plus all this brick patio that connects everything. So beautiful landscape backyard full of greenery that really creates a private oasis here in this house that you can see from the office as well as from many of the other rooms in the house. So let's continue out of the office here through the French doors, which are nice to kind of keep that office space quiet and private, into your family room area. So this is a perfect space for entertaining with a large family room that opens to your eat-in kitchen. You can see it's nice and big, so you can have a lot of people here if you want for football on Sundays or things like that. There's a gas fireplace, and through here we also have a screened-in porch to again enjoy that beautiful backyard. Let me go out and show you. So here you can see the screened-in porch and again more of the backyard. It's a lot of space to enjoy on days with nice weather. And in fact, today we're supposed to get up to 80 degrees here in mid-March. And so today would actually be a pretty nice day, even if it's a little overcast, to enjoy this backyard space. Through here you can see it's a true entertainer's kitchen with tons of cabinet space and nice amenities. Wonderful wood cabinets. You can see how tall they are. You have a ton of storage space through here. You've got your granite counters. The dishwasher is only 1 year old. The microwave's new. Cooktops and other things are also newer, replaced in the last few years for the most part. Nice tile backsplash as well. So this kitchen is huge. You can make a lot of food here. We've got the double ovens and definitely again host some nice parties. So that is the main level here, and then next we'll go upstairs and I'll show you that floor. I've just come upstairs and you can see how we have a nice open stairwell here with a big window. Like I mentioned on the first floor, this house has so many wonderful windows and so much natural light. It's really nice. As we go through, you'll see how large the windows are in all the bedrooms as well, which really lets in a lot of light. So this is one of our first bedrooms if you want to come in and take a look. All of the bedrooms have these overhead lights and fans, which is a nice little high-end touch. And again, you can see all of the windows for a nice light and bright room. And then we have a lot of closet space in each of the bedrooms as well. So every bedroom has a closet similar to this with a lot of spaces in it. So I want to make sure you saw that. There are 4 bedrooms, including the master, up on this level, plus a full bathroom that we'll see next here off of this hallway. So here is the full bathroom. Clean, white, standard, I guess. And then here is one of the other bedrooms, again, very similar to the first bedroom we saw. Overhead light fan, big windows, same type of closet. Then we have this open area above the entryway below. You can see the large window that is above the front door there. Again, bringing in a lot of natural light. We're on to bedroom number 3. The nice thing about these bedrooms is your kids couldn't really fight over them because they're all nearly the same except for the placement of the windows. Similar size, similar closet space as well. So this one is kind of a pretty blue color in case you have anybody who prefers that. And then it's a little thing, but I will say it's one of the most requested things I see with my buyers, and that is the upstairs laundry room. People love having the laundry on the bedroom level, and they love having tons of space in here. So you have your washer and dryers, plenty of cabinet space, and there is a utility sink tucked away back here as well. So plenty of room for your laundry, your cleaning supplies, all those little odds and ends that you need to run the household. There's also a linen closet here. I didn't want to overlook that. And the last thing we'll highlight here on the top level is the master bedroom. So let me show you some of my favorite things about this master bedroom. First is, again, those huge windows that you see flanking both sides of the bed. All right, that overlooks your wonderful backyard, which we talked about downstairs, very private, lots of greenery, and very peaceful to be here in the town of Leesburg and to have all this space and quiet right behind you. So I love those large windows, and I also love the tray ceilings with the crown molding around it. I think that's a nice little touch to have here in the master bedroom. As you walk through the large master bedroom, one of my other favorites is this walk-in closet. It's huge. I think it's bigger than bedrooms in a lot of houses. So come on in and see. You can see, I don't know the dimensions, so I'm not going to say them because I would probably be a little off, but it's quite large. You can definitely fit all the clothes and probably a lot of other stuff in there as well. And then of course we have a large master bathroom, with your soaking tub, your shower, and extra storage in here as well. So definitely a nice private master bathroom suite with lots of room and some updates as well. And that's it for the main floor. Next we'll go down to the full basement and I'll show you what's down there. So as we come down to the basement, you'll see that it is mostly finished with a lot of storage space and other nice areas to use. So we do have storage here that goes under the stairs. And then if you come through here, you'll see the walkout part of the basement. So it is a full walkout basement to that patio right by the hot tub. And the current owners have this set up as kind of a workout space. So they do have the mirrors on the wall in case you want to have some exercise equipment in here. And as we continue around, I wanted to show you the large unfinished space that the house has as well, because a lot of people really like using this space for a workshop, for storage, or things like that. We all have a ton of stuff. We're Americans. And this space is huge. There's already a shop light over there. There's some shelving. There's a fridge that conveys with the house here. So you get your extra fridge for your Costco runs. And you can see there's a ton of space back here. So a lot of people really like having it, and I wanted to make sure we highlighted it. And in addition to the door we came through, you have these double doors to access this space with some larger items that you might need to put in here. When we come out of that storage or workshop space, we're in the main part of the basement here, the rec room, bonus room, whatever you want to use it for, where you can throw your teenagers or have a man cave or whatever you want down here. It's a really big space. Again, some nice large windows that open up to the backyard, so you don't have that cave feel that some basements do, because you have big windows there. And over here in the last corner of the basement, you do have a full bathroom with a tub shower combo. And the other thing I want to mention here, the entire basement was freshly painted. All right, so everything here is freshly painted and ready for you. And then we have this other extra room here with, again, some small windows up high and a closet. So you can use this however you so desired, all right? But this is this extra little bonus room, craft room, exercise room, whatever you would want it to be here in the basement. And that's the house. So hopefully this little video tour makes it a little easier to know about this house, see if it's the right house for you. If you have any questions, all my information is in the video description below. Reach out, I'd be happy to help. Thank you, Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties.